to be open dito naman sa ating right side na restaurant. Medyo mapapalapit na yung bilihan namin ng burger. Ayan siya. Dito lang yan sa 10th Street, Alcobar. Okay, this soon to open. Soon to open ang bilihan ng burger. Ito yung price ng burger. Lapit-lapit na yung bilihan namin. At katabi niya yung shawarma. Ah, nice ah. May shawarma pang katabi. So bali isa lang may-ari nito. Katabi lang. Ayan ang bagong restaurant, shawarma. This sir, how many days to open? Sir, how many days to open?
Open?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow? Oh, nice. Tomorrow open na pala.
Burger?
Shawarma. Ah, okay. Thank you, sir. Palapit na yung meriendahan namin. Thank you for watching, guys.